Be honest. When was the last time you cleaned your oven? Weeks? Months? Maybe? You don't even remember? Most people avoid it because scrubbing baked-on grease feels impossible. But what if I told you? There's a trick so simple, you'll never have to scrub your oven again. Before I reveal it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell icon. Because this one tip is going to completely change the way you clean forever. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community. Why oven cleaning feels like a nightmare. The oven is the heart of the kitchen. We use it for roasting, baking, reheating. But with every meal, layers of grease, oil, and burnt crumbs start clinging to the walls. Slowly, your oven becomes a smoky, smelly disaster. And when you finally decide to clean it, you face hours of scrubbing, harsh chemicals, and frustration. But here's the truth. Your struggle ends today. The simple trick nobody told you, the trick is not a harsh spray, not endless scrubbing, not a new gadget. The secret is a baking soda paste combined with a little patience. Yes, something sitting in your kitchen right now can dissolve stubborn grease better than any chemical cleaner. Why does it work? Because baking soda is alkaline. It breaks down acidic grease and loosens stubborn burnt food naturally. No fumes, no chemicals, just science and simplicity. Step 1. The overnight magic. Here's how you do it. Mix half a cup of baking soda with a few spoons of water until you get a thick paste. Spread this paste all over the inside of your oven, on the walls, the bottom, even the glass. Don't worry if it looks messy. Then, wait. Leave it overnight. While you sleep, the baking soda is hard at work, breaking down the grime that you thought would never come off. Step 2. The morning reveal. The next day, take a damp cloth and simply wipe. You'll see brown, greasy residue lifting right off, like magic. And if you want an even shinier finish, spray a little vinegar before wiping. The fizzing reaction removes every last trace, leaving your oven spotless, with zero scrubbing. Why this feels like a miracle. Think about it. No aching arms, no stinging chemical smell, no hours wasted. Just a natural cleaner doing the hard work while you sleep. Imagine opening your oven and seeing sparkling glass, clean walls, and breathing in fresh air instead of burnt smoke. That's not just cleaning, that's freedom. Please leave a comment below and tell us about your trick for cleaning your oven without scrubbing. We always love to hear from you. Bonus tip: keep it clean longer. Here's the bonus most people don't know. After you've cleaned it, line the bottom with a reusable oven liner or even a sheet of foil. That way, next time food spills, you simply remove the liner instead of cleaning the whole oven. A tiny change, but it keeps your oven clean for months. Safety note: do not place oven liners on the bottom if your oven has a hidden element. Doing so could start a fire. Why we were never told this? Why do companies never tell you about this? Because they want you to keep buying expensive sprays and chemicals. But the truth is, you don't need them. One box of baking soda costs less than your morning coffee, and it works better than anything on the shelves. The bigger picture. And maybe, this isn't just about ovens. In life, too, we're told we need complicated, expensive solutions. But sometimes the most powerful answers are the simplest ones, hidden in plain sight, just like baking soda in your kitchen. So there you have it, the one trick that will make you say goodbye to scrubbing forever. A simple paste, a little patience, and your oven looks brand new. If this blew your mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because I'll keep sharing more of these life-changing hacks that save you time, money, and effort. After all, your home should make you feel free, not frustrated. And remember, sometimes the smallest tricks make the biggest difference.